Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn new topic, how to check taxpayer profile online. How to check online taxpayer profile. In online taxpayer profile you can see everything about taxpayer, the taxpayer name, registration number, business name, taxpayer is active in sales tax, income tax, and taxpayer registration date. But if you want to check active taxpayer list of sales tax and income tax, it will more beneficial for you. And by using online taxpayer profile you can see information about taxpayers. How to check it? Just click just using this link, fbr.gov.pk, Federal Board of Revenue, Government of Pakistan. Move down, online verification portal. Welcome to online verification services. Then you see taxpayer profile inquiry. Taxpayer profile inquiry. Check taxpayer profile using NTN, CNIC, registration, incorporation number, etc. Parameter status. You can mention you have four criteria: NTN, CNIC, passport, registration. You can check data of any taxpayer by using these criteria. I have NTN number, therefore I select NTN number. Type NTN without check digit, therefore after 7 dash and then 1, therefore I here mention type NTN without check digit, therefore I don't consider dash 1. I just select 1543137 dash 1. I ignore it. Then I have to mention this image here, UDG3, and click on verify. Here you see I get complete information of taxpayer profile, NTN number, registered for sales tax 13 September 1999, name K Electric, category PP, registration number, email uphone, email send, cell number, address, registered on this, tax office this, registration status, income tax, maybe income tax active, sales tax operative. But you have to check income tax active and sales tax active by using active taxpayer list, income tax and sales tax. I like this: income tax active taxpayer list, income tax active taxpayer list, sales tax. I suggest this option is good for checking active taxpayer status. This usually show active, but I prefer this active taxpayer list sales tax for individual checking of this person is active or not. This link will more beneficial. You can just see here taxpayer inquiry, business name, etc. Like the person is individual, you how do you know it? You can see here it is company, AOP, or individual. This would be easy. And it is business name, business address, principal activity. This is very simple. You can check any person inquiry by using taxpayer profile inquiry, and it is helpful information for you. Thank you so much.